Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to request a desktop website on your Safari browser. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So if you're using a Safari browser and you want to view your website in a desktop mode, then let me show you how to do this. So to request a desktop mode, first you want to go ahead and navigate to the website. So for example here, Daily Mail. Now once you've navigated to your website, you want to go ahead and press on this A here at the top left. Now you'll get this menu here. From here, you want to go ahead and tap on Request Desktop Website. So go ahead and tap on that. This will now reload the page and will request a desktop website for the website you're on right now. So as you can see, all your content on the website is in desktop mode. So there you go, that is how to request a desktop website on your Safari browser. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.